Hey everyone, in this video we are going to talk about how to create sales credit note in VT transactions. So there are two ways by which we can create credit notes. So first of all, we can go into the transaction menu. Here you will get option of sales credit note, and this is the shortcut key of sales credit note. Okay, so you need to select the particular customer. Then after you need to enter the credit note number, then date, then product or service sold or returned, then after amount. Then after you need to select the group and ledger, and in entry details you need to enter the details. Okay, after filling all the details you need to click on save. After this our credit note will be appear, as you can see here, SCR0001. Once you click here we'll get this kind of display. From here we can edit the transaction, delete the transaction, then change the transaction. Okay, now after creating credit note, we need to select the particular credit note against the particular sales invoice. So for that purpose, we'll come into the customer menu. Here you need to click on the particular customer. So you can see sales invoice and sales credit note are under the open entries tab. So we need to allocate against each other. So once you allocate the credit note against the sales invoice, it will be removed from open entries tab. Okay. So let me click here, and you need to click on this button, match of selected entries against each other. Okay, as you can see it has removed from here, and you can see the allocation mark against sales invoice and credit note. To remove allocation mark, you need to select the transaction, you need to click on this button. So it will again appear into the open entries tab, as you can see here. Now let me allocate against sales invoice. Now this is the first way by which you can create the credit note and allocate against the sales invoice. Now let me show the second way. You need to click on particular invoice. Okay, this is my invoice and customer is 002. You need to click on raise credit note. Here you need to enter the reference number, date, then details, and simply click on OK. So you can see the sales credit note. Okay, and in the same manner we need to allocate this credit note against the sales invoice. So customer 002, I simply select the transaction and click on this button. Okay, so in this manner we can create the sales credit note and we can set up against sales invoice. So this is for today. Thanks for watching. Kindly like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.